US stock market is making history, and it's a wild moment to understand. The S&P 500, a key measure of top US companies, is soaring to levels that far outpace what most people are earning. Its value compared to what Americans have to spend after taxes and inflation is at an all-time high, doubling since 2020 and topping the 2021 meme stock craze when stocks like GameStop skyrocketed. Back in the 2000 dot-com bubble, when tech companies like Pets.com crashed spectacularly, the gap between market gains and incomes was half what it is now. This growing divide shows stocks are racing ahead while many households struggle to keep up. A massive short squeeze is also driving the frenzy, with investors betting against certain stocks being forced to buy back shares, pushing prices higher. This mirrors the 2021 Reddit-fueled mania, but is spreading across the market. Meanwhile, oil prices are climbing due to global tensions like potential sanctions on Russia, which could raise costs for everything from gas to groceries. The US economy is on a hot streak, growing for over 5 years, longer than most historical cycles. This strength, fueled by government spending and low interest rates, could extend further if the Federal Reserve cuts rates, but it might also inflate prices or risk bubbles. For example, cheaper borrowing could spur more spending, but it could also overheat markets. Consumers, however, are feeling the pinch, piling up record credit card debt to fight inflation. This doesn't even include the surge in buy now, pay later purchases, which are hitting new highs. Beef prices are another pain point, soaring due to a historic cattle shortage caused by high costs and drought, making burgers and steaks feel like luxury items. The market itself is dominated by a few giants like Apple and Microsoft, with just a handful of companies driving most of the gains, making the whole system feel shaky. Nvidia, for instance, just became the biggest company ever, fueled by the AI boom, which is only starting. But after recent record highs, markets dipped slightly, and August could bring more pullbacks. This historic rally is thrilling but fragile. How long can it last?